Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of 1 2 Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if the save is failed in Pinterest app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now whenever you try to save a picture, it is a very easy process and it will get saved very easily like this, but sometimes we might have some problems while saving. So the first reason for the problem might be the internet connection or unstable internet connection. In order to solve that issue, just simply check your internet connection is properly connected or not. And in the second case, the cluttered cache might be causing this problem. Now in order to solve this, just simply select the app and click to this I button if you are using the Samsung phone, or directly go to app settings if you are using other phones. And after going into the app settings, you will see this force stop button into there. Just simply tap into that and click to OK and force stop your application at first, and then go to storage section, and into there you will find the cache data of your Pinterest, and from there just simply click to this clear cache option, and then your cache data of Pinterest will be cleared, and then your Pinterest will start to work again properly and you can save images into there. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.